Hello everybody and welcome to today's vlog. It's another Saturday spent at home. So my parents are actually out of town right now and they'll be out of town for like most of this month. So when my husband is at work, I have the whole house to myself, which means I'm much more comfortable filming videos when I am home alone because it's just the way I've always been. I'm not comfortable filming videos when people are home. But yes, the plan for today is I actually need to edit my last vlog because that was from like over a week ago and I still haven't edited or uploaded it. So I need to edit that. I want to plan in my planner. I think we're gonna wait and do laundry tomorrow with my husband. And I just kind of want to relax because I've had a really busy week. Yesterday I was babysitting my little niece all day, which she's such an easy baby and she's so cute, but it was like my first like full day of babysitting her, like not just a little like 2 or 3 hour increment, but like a full day. And then the days leading up to that I was working. So today's like my first day off in a while. So I'm going to take some time to chill and relax. But I'm going to bring you along with my day, even though they're not very productive. But yeah, I also quickly wanted to say, I kind of want to do a Q&A video, and I know I don't get a lot of comments on my videos, but if you have any questions for me that you want to know the answers to, like not even shop related, just like personal questions or like questions about marriage or being young or being married young. I was 23 when I got married, which isn't like super young. It's not like I was 17 or anything. And my husband was only 20. So my husband is 3 years younger than me. So if you have any questions referring to that, we are both Christians, so it was a young Christian marriage. If you have any questions about anything relating to that, anything relating to my shop, anything relating to art or designing, or just if you have honestly any little minor question, you can put it down below and I will try to answer them in my next vlog. Alright, so I just finished editing my vlog and I wanted to quickly show you guys what like program or website I use to make my thumbnails. My thumbnails aren't anything really fancy, but I do like the way that they look. They're not as extravagant as most people, but they're simple and they're to the point. And I just kind of wanted to show you how I make my thumbnails real quick. Okay, so the website I use is actually called befunky.com and it's free. There are things on here that you can pay for and you can obviously upgrade and get an account. But I just use the free version and it works just fine. What I do is I go over here and I put in the size that I need and I take the spacing away just because I don't like the white space, so I take it away and then I put in my images, whatever images that I choose to use for said thumbnail. If you've noticed, my thumbnail pictures are usually just pictures that I put on my Instagram because I don't get very great photos from my vlogs because my vlogs aren't very photogenic. So it might kind of be like clickbaity to use such pretty thumbnails for such boring vlogs, but I don't really care. I just want the thumbnail to look good, you know? So yeah, I'll kind of show you what I'm going to do for the thumbnail that I'm making right now, actually. This is for the last vlog that I put up. So I'm going to go into my pictures, go to my most recent pictures, see if I find anything that I want to use, which maybe I'll use this selfie. I never put myself in my thumbnails usually, but maybe I'll use that selfie, and I think there's some pictures down here. Okay, and then I kind of let me delete this stuff that I don't need anymore. Delete this cell. So I'll put in the pictures that I want. So there's a kind of creepy looking picture of me, to be honest. It's not great. And then I'll just kind of play with it, see which picture I want. I think I don't know, that one's kind of cute because I like it. I think, oops, crap. I think I'm gonna do this one. I think I'm actually going to up the, no, I can't. I'm thinking it's PicMonkey. I used to use PicMonkey, but they're not free anymore. And then I'm going to add my text. So I'm going to put the title that I want of the video. So I'm just going to say new iPhone 11 Pro vlog. And then I always put my text in white just because, I don't know. And I'm going to up the size of my text. And then I usually add a background over here, and I'll just kind of like pick a color from the actual thumbnail. I think I'm actually going to pick a little bit of a lighter color. And then I usually take the intensity and I drag it down so it's a bit like faded and a bit transparent. And then I drag it to fit the video. Oh, you also need to center the text. I drag it to where it fits the video, and that's how I make my thumbnails. And then I just save them to my computer as PNG, and I'll usually write what it is and save it to my computer. And that is how I make my thumbnails. If you're wondering what I actually edit my videos with, it's just iMovie. Back in the day on my old laptop, I bought my laptop used, and it actually came with Final Cut Pro on it. So back in the day, I did use Final Cut, and I much, much prefer Final Cut. It is just so much better, and you have so much more freedom to use. I also had Adobe 11 Pro or whatever Adobe editor. Adobe Premiere. That's what I had. I had that one too, but I never used it. It was a bit too overwhelming for me at the time, but had I had it now, I would actually try to use it and try to master it. But yeah, I don't really like iMovie. It's better than Windows Movie Maker, which is what I started with all those years ago. But I mean, iMovie gets the job done, but it's no Final Cut. Final Cut is like 5 steps above iMovie, and then I'd say Adobe Premiere is probably like 10 steps above Final Cut, to be honest. The things that people can do with Adobe Premiere is really cool. But yeah, I just keep my video editing really simple these days. One day I will invest in Final Cut. Maybe if I ever make more money on the side, I will buy Final Cut. But for right now, I can't pay the $300 or whatever it is to purchase it. I was just trying to choose my washi tape for my planner spread, and I dropped it, and now I have washi tape everywhere. It's even gone as far as out here. And it was all organized. Now I have to like redo it all. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Reorganized it all. That took a whopping 15 minutes to do. I can't believe that I dropped this. And I know it's not organized nearly as nice as it was before, but I kind of just have it organized as, like, I use these ones a lot. These are all my gold. These are all my pinks and florals. These are all my blues and, like, or pinks and peaches. These are all neutral, and then these are just random, and then Easter, Valentine's Day, Christmas, skinny tapes, and then fall/Halloween. So, I mean, it's not perfect, but, man, I'm so mad at myself for dropping this. So I just finished taking some product photos for my Instagram. I put my Space Mountain and Castle pin on this little mini backpack that I got from Disney World. It's so cute. It's like a little, like, handheld little tiny backpack. Yeah, once I saw that these little miniatures came out, I couldn't help myself. And then I used this little felt pumpkin from Target for my logo pen and my little Lady and the Tramp pen. It's really hard for the lighting, to get the lighting just right on this wooden floor with this terrible light that I'm working with, but hopefully some of them turned out.